Namaste students, Khushaw I, JVN Dr. Chandrakala, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the eukaryotic cells. In the last session, we have discussed about the prokaryotic cells. So, eukaryotic cells, in nature, the relationship between forms the and functions in apparent at all level includes the level of the cells, and this will become clear as we explore eukaryotic cells. The principal form follows the function in the form of many contests. Okay? It means that in general, one is dedicated and the function of the structure by looking at the form, and because the two are matched. Or for example, birds and fish have streamlined body that allows them to move quickly through the medium and in which they live. Okay, either it is water for fishes or air for the birds. Okay, so a eukaryotic cells in a cell that has a membrane bound nucleus and other membrane bound compartment or a site, or called the organelles. Okay, so which has a specialized function. The word eukaryotic means you mean a true kernel, okay, or a true nucleus, which includes which all includes the presence of the membrane bound nucleus in this the cell. The word organelle means the little organ, or as we learned in the earlier classes, that organelles have a specialized cellular function, just as that of the body, or have a very specialized function. Okay, so it depends upon like different organs or cell sizes. So when we talk about cell size, at least 0.1 micrometer to in diameter to that of the in a prokaryotic cells are significantly smaller than that of the eukaryotic cells, which have a diameter ranging from 10 to 100 micrometer. Okay, so a small size of a prokaryotic allows the ions or organic molecules that enters the cells and quickly spreads into other parts of the cell. Okay, so similarly, any waste produced within a prokaryotic cell can quickly be removed out. Okay? However, larger eukaryotic cells have evolved different structural adaptation to enhance the cellular transport. Okay? In general, the cell size is limited because the volume increases much more quickly than the dose cell surface area. As the cell become larger, it becomes more and more difficult for the cell to acquire sufficient material to support the process inside the cell, because the relative size to the surface area across the which the materials are transported or declined. So in a gist, we can say prokaryotic cells are single-celled organism of a domain, bacteria and archaea, and all prokaryotes have a protoplasmic cytoplasm, ribosome, a cell wall, a DNA, and lacks the cell membrane bound organelles. Okay, so many also have a polysaccharide capsules or a capsule prokaryotic cell range in diameter from 0.1 to 5 micrometer. Okay, so like prokaryotic cell, eukaryotic cells have plasma membrane, cytoplasm, and ribosome, but eukaryotic cells is typically larger than that of the prokaryotic cells, having a true nucleus, which means it contains DNA surrounded by a membrane. Okay, and also have the membrane bound organelles that allow the compartment kind of functions. And eukaryotic cells tends to be normally it is 10 to 100 times the size of the than that of the prokaryotic cells. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, please write down in the comment box. We'll resolve in the problem solving session. Thank you.